Hello my amazing people, and how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new here, karibu sana, feel welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always choosing to support my content. So welcome to another vlog, welcome to another video. And on today's vlog we are going shopping. Okay, it's going to be several things, but we are beginning with shopping. So come along with us guys as we go, and of course my husband is the cameraman. Let's go girls.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Hi guys, we are back home, and we have finished our shopping. As you can see, it's already been dismantled. plastic. We just think it. So I want to start with the market beans here. The salt that is. We have carrots. We have cereals. We have jahil, black beans. We have lentils, kamande.
Na hii iti black beans naitwa Dorichus.
At the door.
Dorichus.
What? Explain to the people.
Is a international.
So black beans ni?
Is a local name that we call, instead of calling chanjai is a Kikuyu word. So locally Kenyans naita black beans. But internationally this is recognized as Dorichus.
Whatever you have had. Then we have dengo, green grounds. Right?
Kuna types tofauti, kuna makweni, there is polished.
This is makweni.
Makweni.
Yeah.
Good.
That I know. Then we have beans.
Yellow beans.
Yeah.
So Karo wanaitanga cut B1, katumani B1.
So this me. Then we have some tuminji. Minji is very expensive. Yeah.
Green peas.
This is 150 and this is 150.
Imagine.
That's same.
So those are the legumes.
Yeah. Then we have
the horticulture.
I will chase you out of this vlog.
Endelea stay interview tena. Uko na nini hapo?
Tuko na hoho. And we have dania.
Hoho unahitaji in English?
Hoho, I am not sure whether it's green bell peppers or capsicum. But ama yote ni yake.
Niko sawa. Na dania unahitaji?
Dania, coriander.
Very good. Coffee. Tomatoes.
Then we have tomatoes. Then we have maize. Maize.
Green maize.
Yes. Well, I have to specify. Okay. Then we have a very big cabbage here. Wow. Nothing new toy. It's massive. Massive. A very massive cabbage. Yo. Okay, so that is a market thing. Then here we have naonekana kweli. Here we have ice cream.
Mommy, touch ice cream.
We have a watermelon. We have
Chicken.
This is my favorite part. We have sausages.
Hata karibu tuone. Sawa.
We have 2 packs. Then we have some minced meat and the meat itself.
Ndio ilikuwa inatoa nini? Nyama. Yeah, nani?
Then we have some bones for soup. Mama gotta input some calcium. Okay.
So what you can do?
A grater. I had no grater. I had one, but it was screaming for help. We have some little bits for the girl. We have indomie. We have maize flour. Wheat flour. Wheat flour. Wheat flour. Wheat flour. We have green. We have fried. We have Fanta black currant. We have Fanta orange. We have some mala, maziwa lala. What's the difference between mala and lala? Comment down below. We have some yogurt.
Na waoni umeficha huko.
Nini? The yogurt.
Sawa. Wacha nikae hivi. Sawa, endelea.
We have some mosquito coil, because if you live in, is it the whole of Kitengela? We have some milk. So milk.
For baby girl.
Yeah. But her mind is there. We have some Vaseline baby for her. And the mosquito repellent, ballet. Then we have oats. I want to try and make a oat porridge. I'll show you guys and I'll tell you ikoaje. This is I think this is in the market. I've never seen it. Maybe it's always there. I don't know. But yeah. Then we have the pinchers that we open. And last but not least from the supermarket is the bread. Then as you know, we have some, it's not from the supermarket. As you know, if you're a parent, vitabu ni muhimu. So we have some modeling clay and a book for coloring. Now we have the zipper bags for my cereals, for my fridge. Yeah, and that's it. And also we got charcoal. For charcoal, I'll not be bringing it here.
Yeah. So hi baby girl. Hi Nam. She wants to do the molding. Mom.
Yes guys, so that's it for the shopping. I think sasa watu ni wakule sasa. Yeah, so that's it guys. So I'll see you on my next one, on my next video. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, kindly hapo chini subscribe, like this video, like. Don't watch this without liking guys. Sindio? Like, share and leave a comment down below. Yeah, so I'll see you on my next one. Bye.